There we go. I am going to do a no fluff review for you right now and tell you only the things that I think are going to help you decide if this knife is right for you. So let's start with the sheath. This sheath is made out of Kydex, okay? Kydex is a very durable, heat-resistant form of PVC, okay? It's got a really nice snappiness to it in terms of how it holds, okay, the knife. It's not going to pop out on you, so that's key. Also has this belt holder on here. Let me bring you up close for this. This is how the belt holder locks in. It's very responsive. It's very snappy. There's not a lot of play in it. It's very solid. So at first look, this looks like it probably is stainless steel, but I don't think it's a full pure stainless steel. So you are going to have to keep this oiled because it's probably going to have a tendency to rust. Now let's talk about the edge. Here's the thing with this edge. Very sharp, okay, as most knives out of the box are. However, because this is a little softer alloy, it's going to be easier for you to sharpen. The downside is it's going to get dull a little bit quicker. This kind of has that rounded blade on it. Another really key feature is the holes right here. You see these holes? There's a purpose for that. And that is if you wanted to make a spear, you could take one of your sticks and then you can attach with these holes right here. Your cordage would go through those holes and it's going to wrap around that knife, secure it to your spear. In addition, look at the tang. This is a solid piece of steel. It is machine milled, a single piece. So you do not have to worry about the handle breaking off because it's one solid piece. I really like the grip. These are heavy duty reinforced rivets and you can see we've got some texture on this handle. Fits really nice into the hand. So it's going to be great if your hands are cold or if your hands are wet. But let me just show you. Let's just do a little bit of some prepping here. And look at how easy and smooth. Now I'm just taking off just a little bit of the bark here. There we go. And look at that. In no time, that blade totally dominated that. We created a nice spear tip on this stick. I'm absolutely loving the sheath on this one. Solid as can be. It's going to last you a long time. So that is my quick review. Hopefully that was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.